Hey, it's Danielle, and today I want to show you how to clean some old strollers. These are an old jogging stroller and an old umbrella stroller that we had been, we had pretty much thrown in storage just in case we ended up with a fourth child. And we are definitely not having a fourth child. So I have a friend of mine that is pregnant and wanted to give her these and make sure they were nice and cleaned out before we send them her way. So let's get started.
Start by vacuuming any debris off your strollers, assuming everything is dry. The hardest part is removing all of the pieces that can detach. If I could do things over, I would have bought a stroller or strollers that were easy to clean. However, in this case, a lot of the pieces were screwed on, so you need to figure out how to remove them and make sure you can remember how to put them back together again. I always take pictures before I take something apart, just so I have something to reference when I don't know where they go after. Any pieces that are only fabric, they don't have any cardboard in them, can be just soaked and rinsed. So I use cold water because hot water can shrink things. Of course, the plastic pieces are the easiest to clean, assuming there's no electronics. So I went ahead and dipped this in here and just wiped everything clean. If you don't want to take everything apart, you can wipe down all of the pieces with a damp cloth. Most of your strollers will have those instructions on the tag, and it is the easiest way to go if you don't have a huge mess to deal with. Now, in some cases, and I'm going to show you a video of me putting it back in, but it looked like this wasn't going to be able to come apart, but instead I was able to actually pull the cardboard out. If you pull the cardboard out and store it separately so it doesn't get wet, you're able to actually wash the cover. And I hand washed. I did not throw it through the washing machine because I don't trust that. But as you can see, it isn't too hard to take it apart and put it back together. I don't believe in putting anything through the dryer that I don't think will fit if it shrinks a little bit. So of course these were all hung dry out in my yard on a nice windy sunny day. Once you're done cleaning everything and it's fully dry, go ahead and assemble everything again. It's like putting together a fun puzzle. So put on a book or some music and get to it. If you have one of those steam cleaners that are handheld, those might also work pretty well to clean up the stroller and just to sanitize it. My only concern would be getting too much moisture or heat on any electronics, or also getting it on any of the thicker cardboard pieces for the seat. So just be careful with that.